how to left and right click on your Mac computer. So this will work on MacBook Air and also MacBook Pros as well. So typically, to go and left click on your Mac computer, you just need to come down to the trackpad, and then you can just single click with one finger, and as you can see, this will now left click on the Mac. Now to right click, you can use two fingers, and then just go and tap down on the trackpad, and this should now right click on your Mac. Now you can also right click by holding down the control key on your keyboard, and then just go and single click on the trackpad with one finger. And as you can see, this will also right click. Now if it's not working, it's probably because you have the settings misconfigured. So what you'll need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side of your screen, and then just press System Settings. You can then scroll all the way down on the left hand side and click on Trackpad. Make sure Tap to Click is turned on like this. And then where it says Secondary Click, you want to make sure this is set to click or tap with two fingers, and that's how to left and right click on your Mac computer.